All right, so do you want to immediately go into writing a Gmail or an email without being distracted with the humps and piles and thousands of emails stacked up? Well, then stay tuned. All right, so basically, I was watching this Matt Diavella video, and I found this pretty interesting where he found a link where you can straight away go and start writing an email without being distracted by the thousands of emails that you have. So right now, I can show you how you can exactly do that. So I have saved it to my other bookmarks. I named it Gmail Compose because that's what it means. So this link, I'll have it in the description. Once you click on the link, it will take you straight to this page over here. Wait, I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And there you go. It takes you to this page. So here you can immediately go into writing whatever you want. So I'm just gonna write this. If you get really distracted by the thousands of emails that you have, you can straight go into responding them without being overwhelmed by it. And yeah, that's pretty good if you think about it. No distractions, none of that. And yeah, all of us, we want to save our time, and this is a big time saver. Yeah, so I don't have much to say, so I'm just gonna end the video. Yeah, peace out.